Hello students, in this video I am going to teach you the poem The Rainbow. The Rainbow is a very famous poem of William Wordsworth. We all know very well that William Wordsworth is a great poet of nature and he belongs to Romantic age. This poem, The Rainbow, has also one more title, that is My Heart Leaps Up. My Heart Leaps Up, which is the second title of this poem. It is the very first line of this poem. It is a very short poem, but it is very important. Why it is important? You know very well that William Wordsworth has given the definition of poetry. Wordsworth says that poetry is the spontaneous overflow of the powerful feelings. It takes its origin from the emotion recollected in tranquility. So when you read this poem, you will find that there is a spontaneous overflow of feelings in this poem. What is the meaning of spontaneous overflow? It means effortless flow. Okay, students, now let us start. I will read out every line of this poem and together I will also try to explain you. Okay, let us start. My heart leaps up when I behold a rainbow in the sky. My heart, it indicates William Wordsworth. My heart leaps up means thrilled with joy. So Wordsworth says that he is very much thrilled with joy. His heart throbs up with the feelings of joy whenever he sees, he watches a rainbow in the sky. Rainbow, it gives great pleasure to Wordsworth. He further says, so was it when my life began. Wordsworth had the same feeling when his life began. Beginning of life, it is the indication of childhood. So Wordsworth says that in childhood, his heart was also thrilled with joy whenever he used to see rainbow in the sky. He further says, so is it now I am a man. Now Wordsworth has become a grown-up man. He is a grown-up person. But still his heart is filled with joy. Still his heart begins to leap. Still his heart is thrilled with joy, with happiness, with excitement whenever he sees the rainbow in the sky. He again says, so be it when I shall grow old. He imagines that when he becomes old, his heart will be thrilled with joy. His heart will be filled with the same pleasure to see rainbow in the sky as his heart is filled with pleasure in the present time when he is a grown-up person. Or let me die. Let me die. What he wants to say through this line. He says that he would prefer to die rather to be deprived of the beauty of nature. He doesn't want to be indifferent towards rainbow, towards the beauty of nature. And he wishes that it is better to die rather to see, rather to neglect the beauty of rainbow. The next line which I am going to read out, that is very important. The child is the father of the man. It is very important line of this poem. What is the meaning of this line? The child is father of the man. It means a child contains all the qualities of manhood in itself. Wordsworth has written here further, and I could wish my days to be bound each to each by natural pity. Pity, it means a type of pious power, supernatural power, divine power in nature. He wants that every stage of his life should be connected to another stage. His childhood should be connected to his young age should be connected to his old age. And this connection should be made, this connection should be formed by the pious power of nature. So in this way, William Wordsworth, he expresses his love for nature, and he says that at every stage, whenever he watches rainbow, or whenever he watched rainbow, or whenever he will watch rainbow, his heart will be thrilled, his heart is thrilled, his heart was thrilled. Wordsworth means to say that when he was a child, his heart was thrilled with joy to see rainbow. Now he has become a young man, still his heart feels the same pleasure to see rainbow, and he wishes that in old days his heart will be filled with the same pleasure to see rainbow in the sky. So in this way, he expresses his love to nature, and he wants that he should never be deprived of this love of nature. Thanks.